over to Walmart.
Fucking moron.
Oh, this should be fun.
Yes, it should be.
Honey, honey, honey.
It's one way only.
Oh, it's one way.
One way.
Go. Okay. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, go. She might really have an emergency.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, we got one of those guys that got to hold everybody up for weather. See if someone goes to go around and he speeds the fuck up. We got a brake check on this bridge. Back it down, we're stopping, we got a wreck. Back it down, back it down.
Where at? Westbound. Where's your wreck at? Where's the edge, driver?
It's not a wreck, it's just some guy stopped in the middle of the freeway.
Is it eastbound or westbound?
Eastbound. Eastbound. It is a wreck.
Okay, appreciate it. How much?
Call 000. Just come in.
Calling 000.
Dialed emergency 000. Your call is being connected. Emergency police ambulance.
Yeah, there's a big smash, the corner of the
I'll
eastern.
connect you to the police.
Oh, okay.
What state? Yeah, what state and what town is the emergency?
Melbourne City. Oh, Melbourne.
Melbourne, Victoria?
Yep.
Thank you. So I'll connect you to the police if
Okay.
you need a fire brigade or an ambulance. Let
Okay.
them know.
Okay.
And they'll organise that for you. Thank
Okay.
you. Emergency services. 220-2949.
Thank you, Telstra. Hello, where do you need the police to go?
Okay, ambulance and there's a big smash on the corner of Eastern Freeway and Hoddle Street.
Pull it up just now.